Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to extract uh, a zipped folder, how to extract the contents of that zipped folder to your machine. Let's say the archive or the zipped file has been sent to you over the email, or you have been given. You want to extract and view the contents that are inside there. How do you go about it? On the desktop there's a folder, an archived folder called my files here. I hope you can see it. So I want to show you three ways on how to extract them. The first way, you right click and then you say extract files. It will ask you where do you want to save the extracted files. I can choose desktop, I can choose documents, I can choose downloads, I can choose whatever location I have. Even if it's a flash disk, I can choose that location and then say okay, let's extract this to my documents, and then you click OK. It has finished. You go to your documents folder and check if the files have been extracted. So yeah, here they are. The three files here were in the archive folder. I've selected my documents location for them to be saved there. So here they are. I want to show you the second method. You right click on the archive folder, then you say extract here. This will extract the files to the current directory where you are at. Extract here means it will extract on the desktop. If the folder was in, if the archive folder was in your documents folder, and you select the second option, extract here, it will be extracted on the documents folder. So let's click on extract here, and you will notice the files will be placed on the desktop. The third option, you right click on the archive and you say extract to my files. This means it's going to extract the contents or the files to another folder called my files, the same name with the archive folder. So you right click and say extract my files. It will extract to a folder. This is the folder. I think you can see it. This is the folder with the files that were archived, the three files here. So those are the three ways you can use to extract the contents of an archived or a zipped file. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. Bye for now.